Here in our hospital, we offer services for symptomatic stage of disease.
We have 100 bed capacity and fully air-conditioned wards for the comforts of our patients.
We have expertise of well-trained specialists.
We have moderately specialized knowledge and technical resources for adequate treatment of our patients.
Our hospital consists of district healthcare institutions with capabilities and facilities for medical care of cases requiring hospitalization.
EAC Hospital serves you the best.